In this problem, we've been tasked with finding a bug. Sounds pretty straightforward, and we've done this before, but this time we're mixing it up a bit and not giving you access to the source code. We didn't really give you too much guidance on how to do this, but believe it or not, this is actually a pretty common thing you're going to have to do in the real world. Having access to the source code or the implementation itself is often more rare than it is common. Plus, sometimes, even with the source code, it can be so unfamiliar or poorly documented that it's might as well be not having it at all. With that said, let's look at the problem. So here we have the code to test the problems. And below, we have the given test case. Now, we told you somewhere in here lies the bug. One way to narrow it down was to look at each of these hypotheses and then test them one by one. I'm going to show you a quick test case that gets right to the bug. Here I've inserted the code from Homework 6 debugging environments. And when I run that code, I see the same bug that we saw in Homework 6. This implies, and you can further verify on your own, the problem is right here, where we're not passing in the right function environment when we're executing a function. So bug equals 7 is the answer. And just in case you're curious, here's the source code for the expression evaluation. And if we look at call, we'll see that the environment that we call the function on is the same environment from which it's called and not from which the function was defined.